The headlight replacement on the F-150 is pretty simple. It's recommended to replace the headlights in pairs, so both of them have the same level of brightness. To gain access, open the hood and remove the plastic cowling at the front of the engine bay. Use a screwdriver to carefully unscrew the center of each fastener. Once the plastic screws are out, pry up on the flat part of the fastener to remove them. Set them aside so you can reinstall them later. Once they're all out, set the cowling aside. Now locate the two tabs just behind the headlight assembly. We're working on the driver's side, but they're the same on the passenger side as well. There are two tabs at each headlight. Pull up on the tabs to release the headlight assembly. Gently push the headlight assembly forward. Once the assembly is out, unscrew the retainer ring holding the bulb in place. Once the ring is free, unplug the connector and pull the bulb to remove it from the headlight assembly. To help reduce corrosion in the electrical connections, put a small amount of bulb grease in the electrical connector contacts. It's critical to the life of the new bulb that you not get any oils or grease on the glass of the bulb, so be sure to wear gloves when handling the new bulbs. Now insert the new bulb into the headlight assembly along with the retainer ring and hand tighten. Now, plug the connector into the new bulb until it clicks. Line up the headlight assembly and push it back into place. Once it's seated well, push down on the tabs to lock the headlight assembly in place. Now test the headlights high and low beam. Reinstall the cowling, insert the fasteners, and you're done.
Think ahead. Think advance.